Welcome to the Funeral Program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized in loving memory keepsake products. In this video, we will share how to make curved text in our easy-to-use online editor. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Doing so enables us to continue making valuable content to equip you during a time of loss. Our easy-to-use online editor is the best way to create your funeral program because it offers an intuitive interface with minimal learning curve. There is no special software required. You will only need an internet connection to begin editing online. It is fully compatible with any device, so you're able to use any mobile, tablet, laptop, or desktop computer to edit your program. Our online editor, Funeral Program Template, is completely flexible and you are able to personalize as you desire. One of the features within our online editor is the ability to create a curved text. This is useful if you want to wrap text around a photo or create a funeral program title with an arch. Let's take a look at how it works. From our online editor, click on the text icon on the left navigation bar. Select Add Curved Text. A curved text box sample now appears in your template, along with a pop-up box for text effects. Type in your desired wording in the box provided. Then, adjust the radius and letter spacing until you achieve the desired look. You can also reverse the presentation of the text by clicking on the reverse box. To rotate the text within the box, click on the handle provided at the top and turn. Finally, you can close the pop-up box by clicking on the X on the top right. Then simply move the curved text box to the location within your online funeral program to complete. Our online editor is a wonderful tool and a great alternative to using a template for creating a funeral program online quickly and easily. You are even able to try before you buy in this collection to see how easy it is to create this effect and test other features. Visit our online superstore to view all of our available online editor funeral program templates, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.